Okay, these are the answers, but you know how I am. You're supposed to get line paper here. There used to be a method of to put line paper, but I don't have that option anymore in this program. So we'll just do what's given. Anyways, if you look at number 1, you would use substitution. These are all the answers, by the way. If you're checking, go ahead and check your answers. And I'll do the problems here. For number 1, you would use substitution, right? So you would bring this into here. So mark that off. You have now x plus 1 equals to 2x minus 1. So x plus 1 equals to 2x minus 1. Get rid of the variable first. I normally get rid of the smallest of the two. That's an invisible 1. Get you 1x minus 1, or we just make that invisible, equals to 1 there. Add 1, x then is just 2. So x is 2. Substitute for y. Oh, so that's the only possible one is D, where x is 2, you see? And then, but I need to at least see that one. The first one, x. So number 2. You would substitute in right in here, this whole thing into there, because it says y equals to that. Okay, so you get 2 parentheses 1/2 x plus 4 plus that 2x equals to 2, right? Distribute, that means you multiply. So 1/2 times 2, cross cancel. That gives you 1x. 1/2 times 4. 1/2 times 4. 2, that's 2 there. And then 2x equals to 2. Add them together, combine the things that are alike here. These two are alike, add them together. Get 3x plus that the 2 that we didn't do anything. 2 subtract 2 subtract 2. That's 0. 3x equals to 0. Aha. Forgot to multiply. Here we go. That's an 8. Sorry, I didn't give that to you because it won't work into the problem. I won't be able to find it. That's 8. So that's 8 there. So minus the 8. That's negative 6. Divide by 3. X is negative 2. So x is negative 2. So your x answer, that's it, C. And then between the two, you need to at least do 1, 2, and 3, okay? The work. You don't have to do 4 because then it'll leave the only answer left, right? So I went over this briefly, and no, I did not. You put y here, this y. You put this x in there. Or vice versa. You can put the x, put the y there. You can also do, because it says x equal, you can put where x is, you can put the y there. And then, well, why don't we do that, right? 2y equals to y plus 3. Or the other way, 2, you put the x here, plus y, equals to x plus 3. Whichever problem you decide, you can do 1. I think in one of my class I did this one. So we'll just go ahead and stick to that one then. Because the problem says 2y equals to x plus 3 and x equals to y. So for this y right here, I put in the x. So minus an x minus 1x, you get x equals to 3. Which one says x equals to 3? Oh, both of them. Let's find what y is. Okay, so if this is confusing to you, x is 3, y is 3. Okay, it's easy for me, but if that is confusing to you, you always can use the other one right here. 2y equals 2. In place of x, you put 3 plus 3. So you get 6. 2y equals 6 divided by 2. Y is 3. Okay? And then 4, same way. This says x equal though. So in place of this x, right there, you put in, it says in place of x, you put this. So you put in, right in here, 1/2 y plus 2 minus this y plus a negative, right? That's a negative 1y equals to the 1, and then you solve it that way, okay? So you got, well, we know the answer, right? But just to show you how to do this is important. Actually, it's very important. So you got 1/2 y plus 2, right, plus a negative y equals to this 1 right here. And you solve that. You can combine these two right here. Get negative 1/2 y plus 2 equals to 1. Minus 2 minus 2. You get negative 1/2 y equals to negative 1. Get rid of that negative 2 by multiplying by negative 2. Gets rid of that negative also. Y equals to 2. So y is 2 here. See, y is 2. So B and then A. Okay? That's how you do that one. It's important you know how to do that. Okay. Number 5. I'll let you do number 5 on your own. That's an easy one, right? Number 6. Okay, number 6, I should explain this. This is the same thing as y equals, okay? Or c equals. This is a function of n. Just ignore this part. And what you do is put this here into here and then solve it. So you got n minus 4 equals to negative 3n minus 6. We solve that problem, okay? I won't do that. Number 7, okay, I'll do number 7 because the answer is a fraction. Basically, you take this, put it into here, right? Or that, put it right into it. Doesn't matter which way. So, I'll do it at the bottom, number 7. Okay. So we set it up as 5p plus 8 equals negative 10p plus 3. I would add 10p to both sides at 15p plus 8, and then subtract 8. 15p equals to negative 5. Divide by 15. Got p equals 2. That can be reduced by 5, negative 1 over 3. M and O P, so P is the last one, M comes first, and O P, so negative 1/3 comes. And then you can I would choose m equals to 5p plus 8. Yeah. Then I put this into there. M is equal to 5 times a negative 1/3 plus 8. M equals to negative 5 over 3 plus 8. Common denominator is 3. That's 24, negative 5. You add them together, you get 19, positive, over 3. You need to know your adding and subtracting fractions. So this is 19 over 3. Okay, so I'm going to check for those. Hopefully people actually look. Number 8. Number 8 is this one here. I would take that and put it down here. Okay, and so number 8, I would have negative 4x plus 12 and 1/2. This 12 and 1/2 I'm going to make improper. 25 over 2. Okay, equal to 1 over 4x plus 4. I'm going to get rid of the denominator. Okay, yeah, I'm just going to, or we can just add 4x, add 4x. So 4 and 1/4 x, add 4. Okay, I'm going to make this improper here. Multiply, add, go 16, 17 over 4x, add 4. So, okay, I would just clear out the fraction, but so that you know you cannot do that, because you will need to learn how to work with fractions. Common denominator is 2, so 25 over 2 minus 4 over 1, common denominator is 2. That makes it 8. So we get 17. No, 25 over. Hold on a second. If I subtract that, 17 over 2. Okay, that's how you do that. 11 over 2. Number 8. Oh, wow. They got a different answer than I did. Okay, I did somewhere wrong. Your job is to figure it out. Because I'm not done, that's why. I need this. 17 over 4x. Multiply it by 4. And divide by that 17. Let's see. The answer is 9/2. Hold on. Number 8. 25 over 2. And 1/2 plus 4. 17 over 4 minus 4. Now, which is 8. The answer is 2. Where did I do it wrong? Okay, you guys, you figure it out. I did somewhere a slight mistake. It's number 8. Okay. Number 9 is a nice whole number. Number 10. Okay, I'm going to clear the fraction out. I find it easier clearing the fraction. Number 10. So number 10, substitute that in there, right? 2 over 5b minus 3. Equals to 2b minus 18. I'm going to clear it out. I'm tired, guys. That's 2b minus 15 equals to 10b. 5 times 2 minus 40, carry 40, 90. Minus 7b. 2b. Oh, no, minus 2b to both sides. That gets you 8b. Okay, and that's a negative 15. Add 90. 75. Divide by 8. Yep. 75 over 8 is correct. That's B, so it's the second one. And then substitute it in. I would save this one. So I do A equal 2B minus 18. 2 times 75 over 8. Okay, that is 75 over 4 minus 15. Can't even read my own writing, guys. Common denominator is 4, so 75 over 4 minus times 4 is 10. 60 over 4. So A equals to 15 over 4. Divide by 3, 5 over 2. Not 3 over 2. Divide by. Hold on. Why would I do that? Yeah, 15 over 4. That's the answer. I got 3/4 over there. Uh-oh. Made a mistake somewhere here too, guys. I can't read my own writing. So I'm just so tired. 75 over 8. Got that one right, 1 and 4. Oh, that's 18, not 15, that's why. 18 times 4. 18 times 4 is 30, 72. Subtract is 3 over 4. Yep. So the ordered pair is 3 over 4. And okay, let's see, number 10. Number 12. I'll do number 12 because it's different and it's a fraction. We'll do number 11 first, where it's easy, guys. Number 11, I'm doing this so slow, guys. Number 11, right here. You take parentheses here, put that into there. Okay? So number 11 is 2x plus 2. That's where y is. You put the parentheses there. Equals to 4. So x minus 2 goes there. Okay? Double check. Okay, 2x plus 2x minus 4 equals to 4. Combine these to be 4x. Divide by 2. Eight divided by 2 is 4. So x is 4. Then y is, I forgot to put the one we saved. I'll save that y equals x minus 2. Well, 4 minus 2, then y is also 2. I've got number 11, 2, 0. Oh, because here's 4. 2. And then you get 2 minus 2 is okay. That's how you do that one. Number 12 is a fraction one. Now I'll quit on number 12 and do 17, okay? Number 12. Number 12 says C equals 3D minus 27. 4D plus 10C is 120. Take this, put in where C is. Put in there. So 4D plus 10 parentheses. 3D minus 27 equals to 120. It's 27, right? Let me make sure, yeah, minus 120, 34D, um, 390 divided by 34, reduced by 2, 1, 9, that's 18, 5 over 17. Yep, that's what I have an answer. That's D. D is the second one because the letter here is CD. So 195 over 17. And then you substitute in for a regular D. Well, which one did I say? Gosh, I'm having a hard time because I'm tired. minus 27. That's the one I'm doing. And D is okay, and then you solve that. Over 17. Over 17 here. Okay. Then multiply, subtract, common denominator. Guys, finish the rest. Okay. Okay. It's 27. What is 195 divided by 17 going to give you? 11 point something. So, multiply that. Too tired, guys, to do this. Falling asleep. Okay. 195. It'll take me forever to upload this video. That's 585 over 17 minus 27. Fine. Common denominators of 17. It's a good practice with this. So 17 times 27. Okay, did I put it right? 27 times 17. Okay, this is 459, 585. Okay, and subtract them together. So your answer is 121. 121. 126 over, okay, 126 over 17. So your ordered pair is 126 over 17. That's how you do that one. Okay, got that one right. All right. The other ones are very similar. So, just tired, guys. I'm sorry. Long day for me. Make sure you save one of these. Take this in, put that into where M is, right there. So you do that problem. Okay, and that's your answer. Make sure you show the work. So this would be set up as negative 6n plus 8, 4n plus 11 equals to 36. Solve for n, then solve for m. Same way. Put that into there. So 4s plus 5 parentheses 10 there. Equals to 35, and then solve that. Notice they didn't leave it as fraction because you start out with a decimal, so they want a decimal answer. Okay, number 17. How to do 17. A length of rectangle. So here's a rectangle. The length of it, this length right here, is 5 more than twice the fifth. 5 more, 5 plus, so it's plus 5, then twice the width. Twice the width. 2W. Twice is 2 times. 2 times what? The width. Okay? The perimeter of the is 34. So this is 2W plus 5 also, because it's the same. Find the dimension of the rectangles. And we don't know what these are. Those are the width, so we give it W. You add it all up, and it has to equal perimeter. You add all the sides equal to that. So you got 2W plus, add all these up. All the W's together. Plus 2W plus W plus W plus 5 plus 5, right? So that all equals to 34. We solve that. Okay, so 2, 4, 6W plus 20. 6W plus 20 equals to 34. Leaves you minus. I did something wrong. 5 plus 5 is 10, that's why. Not 20. And then minus 10, 5 plus 5 right here. And W is 4. Okay. The width is 4 there by 13 centimeters. So you find width to find length. So this is 4. To find length, we put that into there. So the length is twice the width plus 5, right? So put it in. Length is 2 times 4 plus 5. The length is 13 centimeters. That's why it's 4 centimeters by 13 centimeters. That's your answer. Okay. And then number 15 we've done before. So let's see if we can. Withdrawal is subtract. Okay. Every parentheses multiplication. So 28 plus 18.25 x. X represents the number of weeks. Okay. And then withdrawal, your friend is equals to y. Your friend is 161 minus 15x equals to y. And then substitute and solve, and you should get 4 weeks. X represents the number of weeks, so solve for x. Okay? I will look for the work. Sorry for being tired.